So in Korean, most of the time, the subject of the sentence, he, she, I, you, the person doing the thing, is often left off. And as I told you, Korean Yoda has a sense about how to know, based on context, who is being talked about, and so shall you in due time. All right, now that you got some food words down, let's talk about eating, or the word eat. Now, to help you remember this, here's a little story. Now imagine 3 Korean kids open the refrigerator to get something to eat, and there's nothing, not a thing, like maybe a little stain somewhere on the shelf in the fridge, nothing. They're all disappointed, they feel bad, like, oh. And just at that moment, their mom walks in with a vat of yogurt. And all of them, in unison, scream, "Mom got yogurt!" So drop the end of those 3 words, mom got yogurt, and you have 먹어요. 먹어요, in Korean, means to eat, or I eat, or you eat, or she eats, or he eats. So say that one more time for me.
먹어요.
So how do you say eat in Korean?
먹어요.
Keeping in mind Korean Yoda's word order, how would you say, I eat a banana? Now you don't need words like a in there. You can just say, I eat banana.
바나나 먹어요.
Okay. What about I eat?
먹어요.
And she eats?
먹어요.
Now what about he eats?
먹어요.
Now what about you eat?
먹어요.
Now how about you eat a sandwich? How would you say you eat a sandwich? Remember, you don't need to use a word for a.
샌드위치 먹어요.
Now say, I eat a sandwich.
샌드위치 먹어요.
Now what about they eat this thing? What was this thing again?
이거.
Okay, so how about they eat this thing? How would you say that?
이거 먹어요.